Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we try another special lens. This is the Helios 44. I think most of you know the Helios 44, but this is a silver version. So this is the first version actually from the Helios 44. I think it's around from the 60s. And the special feature of this lens, it has 13 aperture blades. And they go very smooth. I found myself to have a couple of these Helios 44 lenses, and I must say that the silver version from the 60s seems to be, at least for me, the sharpest. I think because these were handmade, they can vary a lot in the characteristics. But mine looks really old, you can see here, and I prefer it compared to the other Helios 44 lenses that came after. So what we're gonna do with this lens today? We will try to do movie shooting with this one, and first we will going to attach a speed booster. I use the 𝐒𝐚𝐬 one, you can see here. Good, and then we attach this simply, and now we try another one that is a fake anamorphic filter. Fake anamorphic filter. You can see here. Yes. This one, yes. Here you see. And with this fake anamorphic filter, I attached an ND fader. And we screwed it on top of the Helios. So this is the final version, what it looks like, you can see here. And one important thing I need to tell you now. When you use fake anamorphic filter, you can easily do this yourself or buy it from someone. I will post links in the video description below. But when you use a fake anamorphic filter in front of the lens, you must deactivate the image stabilization, so no IBIS, okay? Because it will interfere with the anamorphic filter and it will not look as good. So this is why we will do shooting with a monopod today and without image stabilization. And we'll see what kind of results we have. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my samples with this special Helios 44 Silver edition. I think it was interesting how it works on an MFT system, because that lens is basically for full frame. But with a speed booster we have very similar results, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Leave me comments in the video description below, and if you haven't done yet, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.